snow melted, I ended up getting a job, and I was in the first building off of 280 on Eisenhower Parkway when it had just opened up. That was a long time ago, and we'll just leave it at that. But,
on the wood-sided tool rest, but I noticed that with the skew, can you just talk about your hand positioning on the skew?
Yeah, great question. So, a lot of my cuts, I'll use, particularly if I'm doing the detail work like rolling beads and whatnot, I'll use what's called a under the tool rest grip. So I got a finger under the tool rest, and I'm holding it between my fingers, and I'm controlling it with my thumb.
Just curious what speed you're turning at.
Oh, I'm probably at 2,900 RPM. Get another piece out, chuck it up, and then we're going to do the same thing to get it round, and then we'll go into the V-cut. Check it's all clear. Make it round. Watch my body movement. Anchor, bevel, cut.
now, what I want you to notice is as I'm turning, once I set the tool and I get it cutting, I then move the tool with my body. And the object is, if I start to cut here, and I'm going to finish here, that tool should be in the exact same position and orientation at the end of the cut as it is in the start of the cut. And in order to do that, I got to move it with my body. And you should see how I'm moving from my waist down? It's all in the legs. A, slide the bevel, lift the handle, starts to cut, and then move the tool.
Slide that bevel. So I move my body all the way like this.
So that means we got to get that cutting edge at a 45-degree angle. If I'm going this way, I'm peeling. If I'm going this way, I'm pushing the fibers. So the happy medium is 45 degrees. So with the laying stopped, what I want you to do is take your skews and lay the bevel on the piece of wood and hold it in place with your thumb. That will give you the orientation that that tool needs to be in so that that bevel glides along the wood. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes. At 11 o'clock, I'm going to be cutting down around 10 o'clock. I'm going to start with the tool handle low, and I'm just going to raise it straight in on one of my lines. And I just go in a little tiny bit. If I go in any farther, I just heat up the tool. Now I'm going to go 45 degrees that way, and then 45 degrees that way. So you come in and just lift the handle. Step over, lift the handle. Step over, lift the handle. Step over, lift the handle. Alright, so I want you all to stand up with your wood. Alright, you're all standing up. Come on. This is group participation time. Alright, start with the hand. Put your left, I'm assuming you're right-handed, so use your left hand as your tool rest. Start with the handle low and just lift up. Alright, long point down, just lift up, straight up. I'm not pushing the tool forward, I'm not rotating it, I'm just lifting it straight up. Now, I want you to go out loud, 1, step to your right, and lift. And lift. Now, 1, 2, to your left, and lift. 1, 2, to the right, lift. 1, 2, to the left, lift. 1, 2, to the right, lift. That's right. It's a cha-cha. So, the point is you gotta move your body out of the way. Alright? Little curl, you see it?
You can actually come in a little bit closer. Up.
There's a
All right,
question.
let's give that a shot. Question is the point down or up?
With a short point. I'm using a short point.
Short point is the heel.
With the heel. End up in the handshake position and back straight out.